Okay, Michelle, you can see here that we're in your Learning Object repository. I'm logged in as you. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Manage tab, and from here I'm going to click on Question Bank Manager, and that brings me into the Question Bank Manager. And you'll see here that I've already created a developmental psych folder. If I click on the plus sign and expand it, you'll see I've already created chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What I'll do next is create a subfolder for chapter 6, and then we'll go ahead and add questions. So to start, I'm clicking on this small down arrow next to the developmental psych folder, and I'm going to first add subfolder. We're going to call that Dev Psych Chapter 6. Click on Save. And then I click on the down arrow next to the Developmental Psychology Chapter 6 title and click on Add Question. And that opens a new window. And here I'm going to click on Copy Questions from an Assessment down here in the bottom area. And then I'll have the option to choose which assessment I want to copy from. So up where it says Choose Assessment, I'll go through this list. And I'm looking for Chapter 6. And I know that it's the 06 here. Chapter 6, Socio-Emotional Development in Infancy. And then I click on Go. And you'll see over here that it's 1 through 20 of 157 questions. So I'm going to go ahead and click Select All on this page, but it's only that first 20 questions. So I need to click on Next. I'll go over Select All on this page, Next, 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 again, again, and again. Pay no attention to the content that's popping up in the window there. That's just off of my own computer. Once you have everything selected, go ahead and click on OK. And it will take a little while, and while the white screen is here, don't panic, don't worry. It is populating all the questions in your Question Bank Manager, and once it's done populating those questions, this window is going to close by itself. So it will take a little while, and let's just sit and wait. And now that that's done, you'll see Developmental Psychology, Chapter 6. Those questions are all listed there. All of the types. If you scroll down, you'll see that your essay questions are listed there as well. So I'm just scrolling through all of the questions, and you'll see at the bottom your essay questions are there. I'm going to scroll back up to the top, and I'm going to go ahead and minimize this folder. So you'll see I now have chapters 1 through 6, and you can move on and add the rest of the chapters.